Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm sharing a layout for Clique kits and I'm using the December kit. I am going to be using a photo from our trip to the mountains this past fall. It is a photo of myself, my daughter, and my friend. I am going to be using some of the scrap paper left over from the previous layout. I like to do that with kits because I am able to use up the full papers and not cut into more 12 by 12 papers. So before I cut into a whole bunch of other papers, I like to use up what I had from a previous layout. So what I have left here is this rainbow paper, the pink cardstock, and the mint colored paper. It's like a grid paper with white lines on it. And then I am going to pull in that white paper with the tiny black polka dots on it. I'm also going to bring in some black cardstock from my stash as well. So I'm going to mat the photo on that. And I'm going to bring in that black cardstock a couple more times throughout the layout just to make it more consistent. And here I had an idea to do this, but I didn't quite like that much black on top of the pink because I really like the bright color of the pink. So I'm going to end up putting that black cardstock behind the pink cardstock. So I already pulled off to the side here, to my right hand side, some of the die cuts and stuff. I did that off camera before I started the video. These are some of the die cuts that I thought would work with this layout, and so I like to do that so I'm a little bit more prepared throughout the video and while I'm actually creating. So here I decided to put that paper behind the pink, and I like that it adds different layers. And I'm going to end up trimming that mint color paper down just because you're not really going to see that much coming out from behind the other two pieces. So I didn't want to use the whole, well, half of the paper when you're only going to see a little bit of it. So I'm going to go ahead and start gluing everything down because I really like the layers that I have going on here. I also wanted to make sure that that pattern paper, the white with the black polka dots, is kind of peeking out from that side as well. I didn't want to put the papers all the way up against it. So I am going to also bring in, since I trimmed that mint paper down, I'm going to bring that back in kind of as a layer behind the photo with the rainbow paper. And then this is when I decided to put that rainbow paper on the black cardstock just to add a mat around that to kind of give it structure. And I think it really helps with it not blending in because the pink cardstock is the same color pink as some of the pink stripes on the rainbow paper. So I think it helps separate the two. So I'm going to go ahead and glue the rest of the layers down and then glue the photo down. This layout took me 30 minutes to complete, which is a little bit quick, but I definitely think that it helps when you already have paper left over from a previous layout and you don't really have to do much with the layers. You just trim them down just a little bit and they're kind of already there how you need them. So I would say that's a good thing to try to do if you are not familiar with working with kits and you just kind of want to try to work with one. That's a great way to kind of get your stuff used up and layouts go together a little bit quicker. So I do have these die cuts that I pulled out at the beginning, and one is a road map. There is some mountains that says scenic route, and then a camera. So I just did some layering there and put the map behind and then glued everything down. And you guys will see me try to use this little camera that's like hanging on the string several times, but it doesn't end up working in this layout. But it's okay because I already used that camera at the bottom there. So now I'm going to work on the title, and I pulled out this die cut from the ephemera pack that says adventure, and so I wanted to use that in some way. And then I'm also bringing in the thickers from the kit, and I'm going to spell out everyday adventure. That was one of the little stickers on the sticker sheet in this kit, but it was too small for me to use as a title, so I just kind of took that and used that as my title. I really like these stickers because they're all different colors, and they also have, some of them have like patterns on them. The E has little tiny polka dots on them, and some look like they're doodled. They're just really fun. So that is going to be my title. Like I said, this layout came together super fast, so I hope that you guys enjoy this. I also pulled out some of the little stars from the die cuts, and I'm going to do like a little cluster up by the title. And I'm going to use some of the exclusive stickers. They're really cute. So the one says smile and the other one says let's go explore. And then I'm going to use some of the little trees. And I believe that is, I'm going to also use some of the plus signs to do another little cluster right here, kind of by the little trees. And the last thing that I'm going to do is glue all of these down, and then I'm going to take some of that rainbow paper that I have left over and cut some triangles and put them diagonally on the bottom left corner of the layout and the top right corner, just to add some more layers, I guess. So here I am trying to use that camera again. It doesn't work. I even like cut the thing and try to fit it behind something, and it still doesn't. Nope, not gonna work. It looks okay, but it's just taking up too much space for me. So that is my layout for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you guys don't miss any upcoming videos. And also, I will have Clique kits linked below along with my coupon code so you guys can get a discount in the shop. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to spread love and be kind. I hope that y'all have an amazing day. Bye.